Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 whole and parts decimal part 3. Today we study conversion of fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. First convert fraction into decimal by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. First we convert a fraction into decimal. 3 by 10. A fraction into decimal. We divide, this means we divide by 3. 3 divided by 10. Now we divide by 10. We remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. How many digits we remove? One digit. Here, look here. Here 10, how many zeros in 10? 1 zeros. Therefore, we remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. Then this digit we remove, 3 we remove. What is the 0.3? What is the answer? 0.3. Now 3 by 100. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. Therefore, we remove 2 digit from the number, right hand side of the number. Here only one digit. We put a 0 from the left hand side of the number. What is the answer? 0.03. Understand? Then again 3 by 1000. How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. How many digits we remove? 3 digit. Therefore, what is the answer? 0.003. Understand? Now, next question. 443 upon 10. How many zeros in 10? 1 zero. Therefore, how many digits we remove? We remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. Here 4.3. Understand? Then 43 upon 100. What is the answer? 0.43. Understand? Next. Convert fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. Look here. 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4. First we divide, always numerator come in inside. Always numerator come in inside. Which is our numerator? 1 is our numerator. 1 come in inside and 4 come in outside. Understand? Always which digit come in inside? Numerator come in inside and denominator come in outside. Okay. First we look here, we divide 1 divided by 4. First you look the table of 4. How many times go in 1? How many times? 0 times. Then 0 take away from 1, 1. 1 come in remainder. There is no digit here. We put a comma in the quotient. We put a comma in quotient. Always 1 0, 1 time 1 0 we give. 1 time how many zeros we give? 1 time. We put this. Now our number is 10. Again table of 4, how many times come in 10? How many times come in 10? 2 times. 8. Then again 2. We put a decimal in question. Therefore, we put a 1 0 here. 1 time 1 0 we give. Then now our number is 20. The table of 4, how many times come here? 5 times. 20. Then 0 0. Our answer is 0.25. Understand? One more question. One by 3. First we divide 1 divided by 3. Then which number come in inside? 1 come in inside and 3 come in outside. Okay. Then the table of 3, how many times come in 1? 0 times. Now subtract this 1. 1 come in remainder. Next step, we put a decimal. Then how many 0 we give? 1 0. Now again, table of 3, how many times come in 10? 3 times. 9. Again you minus this 1. Again 1 time how many zeros you give? 1 0. Again how many times? 3 times. 9. Again 1 0. Again this not a stop here. You take a 3 decimal place. How many decimal place? After the point 3 place you 1 2 3. What is our answer? 0.333. After the point you read 1 by 1. Our answer is 0.333. Next question. 15 upon 4. Okay. 15 upon 4. Again which number come in? Inside numerator come in inside. Then denominator come in outside. Okay. First, the table of 4, how many times come in 15? How many times? 3 times. 12. Then minus 3. Now, the remainder is 3. When the remainder come, we put a decimal in the quotient. 1 0 you give. Understand? When you give the 0, when the remainder, after the remainder you put a decimal and you give 1 0. Now the table of 4, how many times come in 30? 7 times. 28. Then minus 2. Then again you put a 1 0. Again how many times? 5 times. 20. Our answer is 3.75. Understand you? Okay, now convert decimal into fraction. Convert decimal into fraction. Here 1.3, 1 decimal 3. What is our question? Convert decimal into fraction. First you look how many decimal place. Here 1 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 10. Then 0.008. How many decimal place here? 1, 2, 3. The denominator is 1000. Then 0.37. How many decimal place? 2. Therefore, the denominator is 100. Understand you? Then now our question 1.3. How many decimal place? 1 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 10. Now you write this one also you together this number 13/10. Then 0.008. Now look here. How many decimal place? 3 decimal place. How many? 3. Therefore, the denominator is 1000. Then we write only this 8. You don't take these zeros. There is no whole number here. Therefore, you don't take these zeros. Only you write 8/1000. Next, 1.005. How many decimal place here? 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the denominator is 1000. Then we take 1005. Why you take here 0 zeros? Therefore, the whole number part is 1. There is a number here 0. The whole number part is 0. We don't take these zeros. Here the 1 is our whole number part. Therefore, we take all numbers, all digit. Now, 2.37. How many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 100. Then our numerator 2, 3, 7. Understand you? Then again 0.53. How many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 100. Now our number is 53. 53/100. You understand this? 0.0128. How to write this? First you count how many decimal place here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the denominator is 10,000. 4 decimal place. Then we write 1, 2, 8. Now convert decimal into fraction in lowest term or simplest form. What is the question? Convert decimal into fraction in lowest term or simplest term. Form or term, lowest form or lowest term or simplest form. Now 0.15. How to write the fraction this number? First you look how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 100. Okay. Then we write 15. Next step you look, any common factor is here? Yes, 5 is the common factor of 15 and 100. We divide by 5 in numerator and denominator. Okay. Now this cut 3, this cut 20. Now our fraction is 3/20. Next 0.4. How many decimal place here? 1. Therefore, the denominator is 10. Now 4. Any common factor here? Yes, which is the common factor here? 2. We divide by 4 and 10 with 2. Here how many times gone? 2 times. Here 5. Our answer is 2 by 5. One more example here. 1.24. Then first you look how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 100. Okay. Now our number is 1, 2, 4. Now any common factor is here? Yes. The first common factor is 2. Or then 4 is also common factor here. First you cut 2. How many times gone? 62 here, here 50. Again this cut. Which table go? 2, 31 here, here 25. Our answer is 31 upon 25. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. You convert improper into mixed. That is 1/6 by 25. Understand you? Then next. Again the convert fraction into decimal. Yes, 7 by 20. First you look. First we divide 7 divided by 20. Again I repeat this question. Yes, which number come in inside? 7 come in inside, then 20 come in outside. Okay. Table of 20, how many times come in 7? 0 times. Then 7. Now you put a decimal. Then how many 0 we take? 1 0. Now, table of 20, how many times come in 70? How many times? 3 times. 60. Then again we put 1 0. How many times come? 5 times. Then our answer is 0.35. Then I give some homework for you. Do exercise 5.2 of chapter 5 in notebook. Okay. Thank you.